Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this exciting approved used Audi Q5 Sportback Sport 40 TDI Quattro. It comes finished in the eye-catching Navarra Blue, shorter turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the car has done 13,532 miles. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, with a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery and the front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phones, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can choose a preferred temperature, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point. A convenient compartment to put your phone wires in, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.